5 hidden Linux Mint workflow features you are not using, but should. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Linux Mint with the Cinnamon desktop, you're already on one of the most stable and user-friendly distributions out there. But today, we're going beyond the basics. Most people treat Mint like a simple Windows replacement. Solid, reliable, but not particularly powerful. The truth is, you're probably leaving a huge chunk of productivity and efficiency on the table. In this video, we're diving into 5 hidden or overlooked workflow features that turn Cinnamon into a true power user environment. We'll cover Nemo's advanced actions, smart window management, the excellent X-Apps suite, instant file searching, and some pro-level system hardening tips. These aren't flashy gimmicks. They're practical configurations that reduce friction and help you get real work done.
Number 1. Unlocking Nemo's custom actions, the right-click power tool. Nemo, Linux Mint's file manager, has a fantastic but underused feature called Nemo Actions. These let you add custom options to your right-click context menu for files, folders, or even the desktop itself. Why it matters. Instead of opening extra apps or typing commands, you can automate repetitive tasks with a single click. How to get started. Create the folder. ~local/share/nemo/actions. Make simple .nemo_action text files with a specific format.
Practical examples. Bulk image optimization. Right-click selected images and run a script to compress them, using tools like ImageMagick or PNG Crush.
PDF compression. Select PDFs and compress them without launching a separate program. Copy full path to clipboard.
Incredibly useful for developers and power users. Quick Cloud Sync Trigger. For specific file types, start a background upload. These actions are file type aware, so the menu only shows relevant options. Check community repositories on GitHub for ready-made actions or write your own simple shell scripts. It's one of those features that makes you wonder how you lived without it.
Number 2. Mastering Cinnamon window tiling and workspaces. Cinnamon has solid built-in window tiling that many users barely touch. Key features. Keyboard-driven tiling. Use Super Windows key plus arrow keys to snap windows to halves, quarters, or full screen. Tiling HUD Grid. Enable advanced tiling in Cinnamon settings, Windows, tiling, and Edge Snap. Some users love the Super plus G grid mode for custom layouts. Workspace Power. Use the Workspace switcher to drag entire groups of windows between virtual desktops. This is perfect for separating deep focus research from communication tools. Pro tip. Combine with multi-monitor setups and assign consistent snap zones. Once you train your muscle memory, switching between coding layouts, reference materials, and communication windows becomes lightning fast.
Number 3. Optimizing the X-Apps suite for daily work. Linux Mint's X-Apps, Ext, Pix, Xreader, etc., are lightweight, consistent, and more capable than many realize. Ext, text editor. It includes a built-in side pane for file browsing within projects, great for quick navigation without switching apps. It supports plugins and has solid syntax highlighting. Pix, image manager. Excellent for browsing photo libraries, adding metadata/tags, and creating smart collections or catalogs. Use it to organize visual assets with filters instead of relying on basic folders. Xreader, document viewer. Handles PDFs and multi-document sessions well. It can remember your place across multiple files, handy for research or studying. These apps feel cohesive because they're designed together for traditional desktops. Spend time in their preferences menus. You'll find hidden gems for workflow.
Number 4. Setting up instant local file search and bookmarks. Stop hunting through folders. Mint supports powerful local search. Enable content indexing. Install and enable Tracker, or the modern equivalent, so you can search inside document text, not just file names. In Nemo, use the search bar with advanced filters. Date, type, size, content. Nemo Bookmarks and Smart Access. Drag folders to the sidebar for quick access. Edit bookmarks for dynamic paths or even remote connections. SSH, Samba. Use the desktop search or panel launchers for deep linked queries. This turns file discovery from a chore into something almost instantaneous.
Number 5, hardening your setup with snapshots and monitoring. Professional stability comes from good habits. Time shift. Set up automated system snapshots, rsync or BTRFS. Configure rotation. Example, keep several daily plus weekly, so you can roll back after testing extensions or updates. It's one of Mint's best safety nets. System monitor applet. Customize the panel to show CPU, RAM, and disk usage clearly. Spot bottlenecks during heavy multitasking. Sticky notes, quick capture. Use built-in applets or simple tools with hotkeys to jot down ideas or commands without breaking flow.
Final thoughts, why this matters. Linux Mint's strength isn't just stability, it's how well it rewards deeper exploration. These 5 areas, Nemo Actions, window management, X-apps, smart search, and system recovery, work together to create a surprisingly efficient professional environment. You don't need to switch to a more complex distro or tiling window manager to get serious work done. With a few targeted tweaks, Cinnamon becomes incredibly productive while staying rock solid. Try implementing just 1 or 2 of these this week. Drop a comment, which feature surprised you most, or what hidden Mint tip did I miss? If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Linux productivity content. Thanks for watching. Now, go make your Mint setup work smarter. I'll see you in the next one.